Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I'll do a review of this Weber Genesis 2. This is the 4-burner barbecue. And we'll talk about the outside, we'll talk about the inside. I'll even talk about a couple of my favorite add-ons here, like these two Weber grill baskets. The large and small basket are really fantastic as well. I'll show you some dimensions, we'll measure it out, we'll cook up some food, and we'll talk about cleaning it and also about my 2-year durability. Are we getting rust? Is it a problem? And what do I recommend for you? Has 33 or so inches of grill space, and then on our depth it's about 18. So this is the larger of the most popular ones by Weber. I strongly suggest, if you're on the fence on if you should go with the 3-burner or the 4-burner, go with the 4-burner for sure. For sure, no doubt about it. And also, I would say upgrade to the one that has these doors as well, especially if you have dogs, pets, raccoons, kids that might get into there. And of course, they're trying to go after those drippings and all that kind of stuff. Before we get some food on here, let's talk about two of my favorite add-on items, and it's these grill baskets right here. I had some of my 2-year-old ones. I finally threw them away. They had enough, so I picked up 2 more new ones here. The smaller of these baskets is 7 inches by 7 inches. The larger one is 12 inches by 12 inches, or roughly in there. All right, we got the grill up and going here, and here's one of the reasons I really like going with the larger grill. So I've got some vegetables here. We're gonna go ahead and add them into the baskets. So we'll put some onions and mushrooms in the larger basket, and then I got a little vegetable medley that we'll put into the smaller basket. Now again, I don't want the video to be focused on those baskets. However, I think that if you're gonna do things like have those baskets or other items on the barbecue, then you need to think about that when you decide which size barbecue you're gonna get. Again, I think the 4-burner is a great way to go, especially if you have like 4 or 5 family members or more than that. It's a great way to go. Or if you're just someone who likes to put a lot of food on the barbecue and maybe have some extras so that you can have some leftovers, that kind of thing. This should give you a pretty good idea of how much food you can fit on here if you're gonna kind of max out this barbecue. Now, my opinion is to cook slow and low. Got to make sure your food is cooked all the way through. Yeah, of course. But the slow and low and kind of not rush it. I like to use some basic seasoning. This is by Kinder's right here, a really good one. We're almost done. I was just going to show too, the hamburgers finished a little bit early, so I put them up on this top rack. This top rack is really nice and handy. So let's talk about the exterior and maybe a little bit of maintenance on this barbecue. So the outside on this one is the stainless steel. I strongly recommend that. I've had it 2 years now. Believe it or not, I did not cover this up. It has never been covered, not even one time. Kind of sounds ridiculous, especially since I have one of the covers to it, but I wanted to see durability wise, how would it do so I could do a 2-year review and say that it's never been covered up. It's fantastic. Now, I would recommend that you get some kind of a stainless steel cleaner. I'll put down in the description down below this barbecue, the baskets, and also some cleaners that I recommend. All right, friends, we will wrap it up here. So in closing, this is the Weber Genesis 2. This is the 4-burner. My opinion is this is a great way to go for the barbecue. I like the stainless steel a lot. Also get the cabinet doors, in my opinion, for an extra 150 bucks. At least that's what it was for me. A great way to go as well. Hey, I sure appreciate a thumbs up on this video if it helped you out. Subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.
When is the food gonna be ready?
We're getting pretty close.
How many minutes?
5 minutes. Give or take a few.